Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to consider how to find this limit. So we need to consider about part number 1. That is about s approach to number 1. So that means we can put number 1 cone here, number 1 cone here. So that should be like this. So we have law base number 1 of 1 plus y. So the next one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And that is about Fn of 1 plus y over Fn of number 1. So we know that Fn number 1, that is about number 0. So in this situation, you will got about infinity. The next one, the part number 2, that is about y equals to number 0. So we can put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. So that should be like this. So for this one, we can transform into this one. So f and s divided by f and s, you have number 1. So we can see that part number 1, that is about infinity. Part number 2, that is about number 1. So we can say the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.